Doing the unboxing of a proven industry van and trailer lock. Nice boxed, very nice boxed. This is the Proven Industries puck lock with these really cool keys. Very nice. Very nice keys in the puck lock. Very nice. I'm afraid to get it scratched. And here we go. Here's the Hasp. It goes on the van or trailer. Here's the other half. Pretty nice. Black, power coated. So the lock will go here and you would lock it on the side. This is where the lock, you put it here and it stays on there so you don't have to lose your lock. A lot of people lose these all the time. Pretty cool. So you put it on like this, close it, turn the key, and it stays on there so you won't lose it. I like it. And over here, same situation. So nobody will break into your van or your cargo trailer. Proven Industries. Very special made keys, so it makes it hard to pick. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my post.